Next, let us discuss the very important concept in the complex compounds, that is isomerism of in different types of complex. Isomerism in complex compounds. Isomerism. What is isomerism? Let us take the first definition. The complex compounds are having same chemical formulae, The complex compounds are having same chemical formulae, but which exhibit different structures. The complex compounds are having same chemical formulae, but which exhibit different structures are known as isomers. The phenomenon we call it what? Isomerism. The complex compounds are having same chemical formulae, but which exhibit different structures known as isomers. And the phenomenon is known as isomerism. You know, this particular isomerism in complex compounds classified into two types. Let us see how it is classified into two types. What are the different types of isomerisms? In each part. Isomerism classified into two types. One is structural isomerism. Second one is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism, second one is stereoisomerism. Under structural isomerism, different types are there. What are the types under structural isomerism? Let us see. Ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Hydrate isomerism. Coordination isomerism. Under structural isomerism, ionization isomerism, hydrate isomerism. Next, coordination isomerism. Coordination position. Isomerism. Linkage isomerism. Next one is what? Ligand. Linkage isomerism, ligand isomerism, ionization isomerism, hydrate isomerism, coordination position, linkage, ligand isomerism. Under structural isomerism, these many types are there. Let us see now under stereoisomerism, what are the types? Under stereoisomerism, two types again. This is classified into two types. One is geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. This also generally we call it as cistrons. Cistrons isomerism. Next one is optical isomerism. So isomerism mainly classified into two types. Under structural isomerism, this many types. Under stereoisomerism, again classified into geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism. This geometrical isomerism we also call it what? Cis-trans isomerism. Under structural isomerism, the different types one by one we will discuss it. Now under structural isomerism, different types are given. Under that, the first type let us discuss now. That is what? Ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism.